Well, the Nifty went on to snap its two-day gaining streak and in fact ended fairly lackluster below the 6250 mark. In fact, for the entire session, we were confined to a tight range of close to 40 points or so. For the Sensex 2 in the red, with the broader markets showing you a mild degree of outperformance but nonetheless in the red. It was real estate, metals, consumer durables which were really clobbered in today's session. In fact, all of your sectoral indices barring the healthcare index ended very deep in the red. Big losers included Tata Steel, NMDC, DLF and JSPL. Select stocks in focus will start off with the results scorecard. NIIT Tech, the Q3 profits came in lower by 15% on a sequential basis. The net sales were unchanged and EBITDA margins grew this time around to 16.3%. In fact, the management spoke with us saying that they've added 4 new clients in the third quarter and won $300 million deals from their top BFSI client. The counter reacted very smartly in trade. Maharashtra Scooters profits were at 1.4 crores, that's down by close to 12.5%. The net sales were disappointing, off by just about 54% in trade. Ken India was in focus today as Vedanta got 99.9% favor of votes of the buyback and the proposed share buyback was worth up to $924 million. CMC, that one declared its results post-market hours just yesterday, and you had the net sales which came in very flat on a quarterly basis at 561 crores. The profits were up by 4.8%, but the counter, in fact, this time around really sulked in the session. It was off by over 10%. Gati, in fact, we had the management who spoke to us yesterday. This has been a stellar outperformer on a year-to-date basis, on a 1-month basis, as well as 3-month. And the management said that they've seen overall growth in the business and they will be expecting to grow at 17 to 18% this year and maintaining their growth momentum. The shipping business issues will not affect their main business. On the upside, Cipla, IndusInd Bank, Lupin, as well as Ken India shone in trade today.